Most people assume finance platforms just store your money, but Cash Flow Capital in 2026 is built to make your money work smarter. It combines automated saving, goal tracking, and predictive insights to help you stay in control and grow your funds efficiently. With Cash Flow Capital, you can set multiple financial goals like building an emergency fund, paying off debt, or saving for big purchases. The platform automatically allocates funds based on your income and spending habits. Consistent, small contributions over time can turn into substantial savings without you even noticing. The app also monitors your spending patterns, upcoming bills, and subscriptions, sending alerts when action is needed to avoid overdrafts or extra fees. The dashboard gives a clear visual overview of your money, including your progress toward goals and recommendations for optimizing your cash flow. Security is strong, featuring multi-factor authentication, encryption, and real-time fraud detection. Your funds remain insured, and customer support is available through chat or email for any questions. Limitations: Cash Flow Capital focuses mainly on saving and financial management, so it doesn't offer investment or full banking services. However, for anyone seeking smarter, automated ways to manage and grow money, it's an excellent tool. So, is Cash Flow Capital worth it in 2026? Absolutely, if you want a secure, intelligent, and automated approach to handling your money. Subscribe to keep up with the latest apps that make managing finances easier.